Now the next product I want to talk to you about is the Parlux hairdryer. This is a serious cult item. Ask any hairdresser what their go-to hairdryer is and it will be a Parlux. It's in every model's kit, every hair and makeup artist I ever see on set has one of these. I think of them as the Ferrari of hairdryers because they have the most incredible motor in them. The new Alyon is the latest version of the Parlux and it is ceramic and ionic. So ionic technology is where it actually lets out negatively charged ions to break down water molecules which are positively charged. So you're basically drying the hair much more effectively and faster than with a regular hairdryer. It's also very lightweight, so they're designed for salon use, they're designed for hairdressers to use, and they've got incredible shelf life, so they'll last for over 3,000 hours of hair drying time. That's a lot of hair drying. They are a bit of an investment, but I think with something that you use every day or every second or third day, it's really worthwhile making sure you have the best product that is going to be lightweight and good for your arms and also good for your hair. So definitely one to add to your kit if you haven't already tried it.